This is what makes team sport great. A group of mates getting around each other.
Did you ever believe?
Handball over the top. Game over.
Playing a game that makes them and us smile.
And they'll be roaring in the west.
We'd want to celebrate alone anyway.
Happy scenes in the Dogs' rooms. They live to fight another day.
Not the Doggies. They want to take their teammates and their fans back to 2016.
Can they get on that run that they did in 2016?
All season they've celebrated together. That summer fun stretching all through winter. Now it's springtime, finals time.
Got their mojo back, the Bulldogs.
Look at the difference winning makes in an elimination final.
Good Beverages men want to keep the good times rolling.
And you can see the smiles on the Dog faces. They march into the second week of the finals.
They'll do it together because they know the Premiership Cup is easier to lift with a little help from your friends.
Hello and welcome everybody to the Gabba in Queensland. Brisbane town is ready to fill this famous stadium tonight in the first semi-final, and that is the man they'll have to stop. Marcus Bontempelli, captain of the Western Bulldogs, voted this week by his peers